How to make money online on Microworkers, step by step for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with making money on Microworkers. So let's get into it. Now, Microworkers is a platform that enables you to earn money online by doing simple tasks as well as some more higher level tasks such as data survey or, filling out surveys, doing simple puzzles, taking some tests, so on and so forth. So there are a bunch of different jobs or information about the website that they have provided over here, but you don't really need to read this. If you want, you can go through some of the basic types of jobs that they are providing, and you just head on over to microworkers.com, and once you go there, you're going to click on register on the top right over here. So once you click on register, you have to fill in this basic information panel. So you have to enter your first name, your last name, your gender. Usually I would recommend entering your gender because if you're going to do things like surveys and stuff, they usually do require you to fill out your gender, and then your birthday. After that, you have to put in your email address, your password, a suitable password for your account. Once you've done that, you have to enter a zip code as well, and all of your basic information. You have your employer subscription if you want newsletters. We don't care for newsletters. You just need to continue by accepting the terms of condition and privacy policy, and after that you will simply click on submit over here. So once you've done that, you are just going to do your email verification. Just go into a new tab and open up your email address. You will get an email from Microworkers, and just open up this email and click on the link. Once you click on the link, this new tab will open and you will have to click here to activate your account. So once you've done that, your account has been created. So that is how simple and easy it is to create your account, and earning money is just as simple on Microworkers. So once you have created your account, all you have to do is focus on this section over here. So this is the job section. Don't take a look at this section. This section is actually for the section where you're a employer and you want to hire people. So for people that are looking to hire other people, you can look at this, but for you, you're just going to focus on the top left over here and go into the job section. So once you click on jobs, you will be able to see all the different types of jobs. Now, there are some simple jobs, there are some most paying jobs, so you can click on the most paying ones over here. And you have a mobile app job, which is to download, install, sign up, and video upload proof. So it just basically means you need to provide a screen recording of you downloading and signing up to a mobile application. And the payment is $3. So $3 just to download a simple mobile app. It's usually a game. Usually these are for games and promotions for games. And you can just go on ahead and, open up this job to get more detailed information. You can see all of the basic information and stats, which is the time to rate, the time to fulfill, the done jobs, the removed jobs, and the success rate of these jobs as well. These are some of the most paying jobs. You also have things like, basic TVV Gmail, create an account, or website testing, sign up with Gmail. So you get $0.08 for this, sign up and screenshot, which is $0.08. You have things like iOS app testing, download, install, test, and give a honest feedback for 33 cents. You also have, sign up and screenshot for 40 cents, Android app download and install. So that is it. So for a lot of these are mobile installs. You can also, provide a video recording. For most of these, you also have to do that. Now, if you go into the best rating, you can also click on the specific type of job you want to do. So let's say you want to fill out surveys. So you can click on surveys over here. And once you click on surveys, it will show the survey jobs available for you. Depending on the location, your gender, your age, the surveys or the jobs that will be available for you will vary. So that is something to keep in mind, but that is information that you have to provide because they want to provide accurate jobs where you can actually be helpful and meaningful. Now, depending on your location, your payment will also vary. So depending on where you are living, your payment is going to be different. Now, other than that, if you go into the HG jobs, now the HG jobs is hire group job where they are, among the workers hired to do specific jobs. People can hire you instead of, you looking for jobs. People are going to come up to you, be like, hey, I've seen you do this job, and that is why I want to hire you for something that I like. So that is another section. Then you also have the tasks I finished. So this will show you all of the tasks that you have completed in your job sections on Microworkers. And after that, you can click on withdraw withdraw. So that is one of the most essential parts. You can see, you will be able to see the money that you have in your account. You can click on place a new withdrawal account, and you have multiple different payment options. So you have PayPal, you have Skrill, you have Payoneer, you have AirTM. So you have a bunch of different platforms. You can also see the minimum withdrawal limit for each of these platforms. For the rest of the three, it is $5, but for Payoneer it is 20. And you can see the maximum you can withdraw is infinite. Then you also have the processing fee. So for PayPal it's 7.50, for Skrill it's 6.54, for Payoneer it's 5%, and for AirTM it's 8%. And depending on how much money you have, you can withdraw as you wish. For Payoneer, you're getting the best deal with the lowest processing fees, but you have to wait for a longer time because their minimum withdrawal is $20. So that's also something to keep in mind. You can choose the platform that you like to use for withdrawals, select that platform and just confirm your information, enter the account that you want to withdraw your money into, and that is it. So then you can start receiving money into your account as well. So depending on the type of jobs that you can do, you can easily earn, $15-20 every day if you're on your commute, if you're traveling around, if you are, just laying in bed watching a TV show. You can easily fill out these surveys as you go. A lot of these times, these surveys take less than 15 minutes to complete. These surveys or mobile installs, video recordings, they take 10-15 minutes, and you can earn, in this way you can earn upwards of, $10-15 per hour if you're just doing this on your phone as you are, doing your other tasks, doing your job, watching a show, resting. So you have multiple different things. For things like writing a review or writing an article, you can earn more money as well. For things like translation, moderation, leads, video sharing platforms, social media promotions, you can earn more money, but that depends on that is subjected to the availability on your location and on your demographic as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.